A little secret. This video is the first part of 2 parts. After this one, there'll be a second part, second task. The same thing, but a bit more difficult, okay?
Hello there, Python programmer. Today let's have a look at a new problem I have. So, with one of my students, I write the messages during the lesson into WhatsApp. What I want to do now is copy these messages into a document like this. Should be easy. Paste. Oh no! No! Unfortunately, I have all the details from the WhatsApp message, so it's from me and the date and time. But I don't want that, so I'm going to use my mouse and my strong arm to clean this file like that, and then like...
But wait, there's more.
So you can see there's more now, there's more and more and more and more. Okay. Now this is part 1, this is task 1. I'm going to make it probably a little easier. Before I give you this text, I will take out the Max. He's my student, Max. So you only need to worry about the John. Maybe that will make it easier for you. And in the next task, part 2,
I'll leave it in there to make it more difficult. Good luck, Python programmer. Good luck.